This will be another painting dedicated to mothers. Every day, our store introduces new product designs. We ensure variety and options for our valued customers. Here is the process to complete this painting. Here, with a size of 9 by 9 inches, I've designed a border to make cutting easier. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. This is a flat-shaped wooden stick that has been painted with colors to match the painting. And of course, we can't forget the pebbles. Prepare 4 stones of suitable sizes. Since it is a gift for Mother, we will try to choose stones with bright colors. The decoration of the painting will depend on your preferences. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. Next, use an oil-based marker to complete the painting. When you visit our store, the quotes inside the painting and the colors can be customized to your liking. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. So we have completed the painting. See you in the next product.